What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So, a couple of you guys have been telling me to check out this song by Suchiang. He just released this new song just after Jing It Ning Kong, the song that I reacted to. And yeah, I'm down to check this music video out called Shaduh Bakut, new Khasi song by Suchiang, Hrisima, Svetlana. So I'm excited for this one. It's coming in from Audio Tech. I know Suchiang is a superb musician and he will never disappoint with his music. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what Shaduh Bakut has for us on the table. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the gang. Also, do follow me on Instagram. Let's just jump right into this music video and let's get it. Let's vibe with it. Kiki Garot Studio, always legit stuff they make.
Ngakular happy
Mesha Nongsteng.
Banyaine scam Banri Banyada Banyarap But come tam air Ban eat But bandon ringkat but p.
I think this music video is about love. Hey, by the way, he was there in another Suchiang's music video, so I think there was Kular Jongfi, if I'm not wrong.
Tam air ban eat But bandon ringkat but p. Shaduh Bakut Kajing em jongi.
Shaduh. Okay. Shaduh Bakut means for all eternity. For all eternity, I will be with you. I'll be in love with you. I think so. Wow, quality. Hey, cute. Hey. Hey. By the way, they look like so cute together, and I think Hrisima or Svetlana is the producer or the beat maker, music maker, I guess. Like, it's so vibey. I mean, the music is so good. Hey, the stage. Nescafe. Oh. Sorry. So there is a thorn on the way to love, in their relationship. That is, the thorn is the girl or whoever it was who slapped her. Shaduh Bakut for all eternity. Shaduh Bakut. Shaduh Bakut. Hey, cute. These shoes and bags are really beautiful. Superb. Hey. Oh, must be expensive. Hey. The makeup girl looks beautiful. Of course, the bride is superb. Hey, so fun. Hey. Wow. Oi. They should have put a pastor here, no pastor. Wow, beautiful couple. God bless you. Of course, it's not real, but just for the sake of the music video. Anyways, this was really beautiful. Super Shaduh Bakut. Super. So like always, Suchiang has come up once again with an amazing song. His voice was like superb, and this music video was also like top notch. The quality, salute to Kiki Garoth. Like, you know, that international level kind of music videos they make. And of course, shout out to Hrisima. By the way, let me just check the description. Okay, so male actor name is Hrisima Pasa, and the female actor is Svetlana Vankar. Singer is Suchiang, and Kiki Garoth. Music direction and lyrics by Sanshwanaki Siem. Makeup by Idaka Grace. Hey, Idaka Grace. She was really, dope, cool girl, cool makeup artist. And costume director was Monica Rinja. I hope so. I'm talking about the right girl. And we got executive producers Rishester Lingdo, Shanswanaki, and Siam M Nongsteng, and etc on the list. Anyways, shout out to the whole team. This was really an amazing music video. I really enjoyed it. It was superb. Loved it. And yeah, Kublai Shibun to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much from deep within my heart. I love you all. Bye.